How to fix Chatgpt not working or loading error. So here is a clear and beginner friendly guide on how to fix so first of all you have to do is check your internet connection. Drag down the control center and toggle Wi-Fi on and off if needed, or switch to mobile data, because a weak connection is the most common cause for the Chatgpt not working or loading. Then simply open the App Store for iPhone and Google Play Store for Android and search for the Chatgpt in there. Then if you see the update option available right next to it, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Once updated and it still ain't fixed, then go back to the home screen, long press on the Chatgpt and you will get to see the delete option available there. Delete it and reinstall it to your device. If the app is corrupted, reinstalling fixes it. So make sure you know your login. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.